Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall or reinstall media player on your Windows 11 computer. To uninstall it, you can simply type in media player in Windows search box, make a right click on media player and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall. You will be able to uninstall it. You can even uninstall media player using this command. This command is provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box and then make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. This will uninstall media player from your Windows 11 computer. Now to reinstall it, to install media player once again, you can again type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you always open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now over here you can see, do you agree to the terms? For yes, type in Y and then hit the enter key. And over here you can see starting package install. This process will take some time. So over here you can see it's installing media player, and here you can see successfully installed. So this is how you can uninstall or reinstall media player on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.